At Southwest Airlines, we're united by a purpose that is at the heart of everything we do. It's the simplest and purest expression of why we exist. Our purpose at Southwest Airlines is clear. We exist to connect people to what's important in their lives through friendly, reliable, and low-cost air travel. This purpose is why we get up every morning and why we matter to the millions of people who fly with us each year. And if we live this purpose every day, we'll achieve our vision to become the world's most loved, most flown, and most profitable airline. But it all starts with you.
We had to go to the airport for my husband to be deployed for 6 months to Kuwait. So when we got to the airport, we were sure we weren't going to be able to go past security with him. We would have to say goodbye.
I saw him walk up in uniform, and I saw a whole bunch of family members standing nearby, so I asked him if he was being deployed, and he said yes. And I asked him if they all wanted to go to the gate with him, and he said, yeah, that'd be great.
So we were very happy because that bought us about 30 more minutes for us to spend time together. But once it was time for him to go on the plane, we had our moment, we hugged, and said goodbye. The kids did really great. I was holding it together, but we wanted to stay and watch his plane take off. One of the Southwest employees came over, tapped us on the shoulder again, and said, "Can I please do something for you?" Thoughts in the back of my head were, what can you possibly do to make this any better at this point?
I realized we had about 3 to 4 extra minutes before the scheduled departure time.
He stepped away for a moment, made a quick phone call, and came back and asked if the kids and I would mind coming back on the plane. So we were very excited. The kids ran down the tunnel. When we got to the end of the tunnel, they called out on the intercom if there was a John Chatelier on the flight. And we saw my husband's hand go up in the air, and the kids were able to run to him and give him one last hug. And the amazing part was the whole plane cheered, and everybody was real excited for us. So we got one last moment with him before they closed the doors and the plane took off.
It was a touching moment, and all the passengers started clapping, and everyone was tearing up.
When I talked to him when he had landed in Kuwait, he said that that whole moment, that experience, made him realize that people were going to be watching out for us, watching out for him, and just taking care of us overall.
I am a pretty regular Southwest business traveler. It's just a different flying experience than any other airline. Everybody just is having fun with their job. They board the fastest, they get your bags off the fastest, so they're efficient, which is always great. But I knew exactly when I would land every week, and so I could easily schedule my meetings and the rest of my day around it because I knew that they were going to be on time. Leaving home was not my favorite part of the work week, but Southwest made it the best. They made it the easiest to leave and come back home to by making an enjoyable experience to come and go every week.
Last Christmas was my first Christmas away from my family. I couldn't really afford to go home for Christmas because I could only get 4 days off of work. One evening in November, my phone went off right before I was going to bed, and it was Southwest and their ding fare alerts. It was available to go to Chicago for Christmas for those 4 days. So I decided to call my friend and tell her that we were going to surprise my parents and that she was going to pick me up from the airport and we were going to film the whole thing. And I hadn't been home in 6 months, and my mom was extremely upset that I wasn't going to be there for the holidays. My mom's reaction was priceless. She was crying. She cried for a good almost 2 hours. It was the best Christmas gift I could have ever given them. And without Southwest, there was no way I was going to be able to go home and give that to them. It was good. It was a very, very good Christmas.
Because of you, my son can sleep well at night.
Because of you, I was able to be at my daughter's side throughout her difficult pregnancy.
Because of you, my family and I have a memory for a lifetime.
Because of you, I was able to give my parents the best Christmas gift ever.
You work for a company of people not a company of products or promises.
You work alongside the best people in the world.
People committed to a common purpose.
To connect people to what's important in their lives through friendly, reliable, and low-cost air travel.
A purpose much bigger than ourselves.
We can never rest on our laurels, thinking we've arrived.
We must always continue to be hungry and humble, never complacent.
Because more than 100 million customers rely on us every year
to connect them to important events safely.
It's a pretty sacred responsibility.
Because of you, a business person can close the deal of a lifetime.
A child from the heartland can encounter the majesty of the ocean.
A father can hold his daughter for the first time.
And a daughter can make it home in time to hug her father for the last time.
These experiences are irreplaceable.
$20 too high
or 20 minutes too late.
And those experiences vanish forever.
By maintaining our low costs, we are an airline people can afford to fly.
By reliably delivering on our promise, we are an airline people can trust.
By offering friendly customer service, we are an airline people can love.
This purpose, offering air travel that is friendly, reliable, and low cost, enables us to offer customers a better way.
And together, they mean the difference between success and failure.
Between an experience won and a connection lost.
No one connects people better than we do.
You're part of an amazing legacy.
And you're the catalyst for an exciting future.
And whether you're on the ground
or in the air,
in an office or at a gate,
what we've created is worth anything and everything to keep.
Because hardly anyone else has it.
And you do.
We do.
Together.
Our vision is to become the world's most loved,
most flown, and most profitable airline.
You inspire and deliver this vision. You are the heart of our purpose. You are Southwest Airlines.